everyone, welcome to this video where we are given two pentagons, regular pentagon, that's an important keyword, and they are connected as shown in the diagram. Okay, find the values of x, y, and z. So the very first thing that comes to Mr. Tan's mind is that I can see that this x is actually an interior angle of the regular pentagon. And because it is a regular interior angle of a regular pentagon, then the first step I would want to know is what is the sum of the interior angles, okay, of a pentagon. Since we are working with pentagon, and that is pretty straightforward. It will be n minus 2 times 180 degrees, n being the number of sides. How many sides does a pentagon has? Yep, 5. Minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now that I know that there are the sum is 540 degrees, how many interior angle does a pentagon has? 5 as well. So x degree is pretty straightforward then. Therefore the x, right, the value of x would then be 540 divided by 5. That will give me 108. That will be the value of x. Now let's look at value of y. Okay, because I know this is a regular pentagon, so if we were to focus on this purple triangle where angle y is, then you all need to know that regular pentagon means the sides are equal. So what is this triangle CDF? Isosceles triangle. Yes, it is an isosceles triangle, which means that if we know angle CDF, we will be able to get angle y. It is the base angle of an isosceles triangle. And we do know angle CDF because as part of the property of a regular pentagon, or the interior angle in this case is 108. Because that's what we have found out previously in part A. Okay, so I will then be able to get this value of y easily now. Okay, so the value of y is simply then 180 minus away the 108 and divide by 2 to give me a value of 36, and this is using the property of base angle of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so we are done with y. And for z, I already know a bit of this already, 108. And because they are both regular pentagon, that means the interior angle here is also 108 degrees, which means that this angle z is also pretty straightforward, isn't it? Because z is simply 360 degrees minus away my 108 minus away another time, and that will give me a value of 144. And this is angles at a point. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.